everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Vanilla gift card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card online, then it's quite simple. You can either activate your card by calling the toll-free number listed on the back of your card, or if you want to activate it online, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.vanillagift.com and press enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Vanilla Gift account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials on the next field, that is your email and your password. Once you enter your password and your email address, you can click on the sign in button, but in case you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password link and follow the instructions in order to reset your password. After clicking on the sign in button, once you're inside your account, if you want to activate your Vanilla gift card, then once you purchase your Vanilla gift cards, it'll be automatically activated right away. But if you'd want to check your balance, from the main homepage, scroll all the way down and click on check balance button. Simply enter your gift card number, which is available at the back of your card, and type in your expiration date in the expiration date text box. Once you do that, type in your CVV number, which is located at the back of your card as well, and finally click the sign in button in order to check your balance and manage your gift card. That is how you can easily activate your Vanilla gift card. You can simply call the toll-free number listed on the back of your card, or in most cases, the cards are ready for immediate use after you purchase from vanillagift.com. Your Vanilla gift cards don't need to be activated once they are purchased, so it is ready for use whenever you purchase your gift card. That is how you can easily activate your Vanilla gift card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.